Speed. Marker.
And action.
Are you saying I'm stupid?
No.
Do I look stupid to you?
I'm sorry.
Are you saying I'm stupid?
I'm sorry. I got it. No. Just do it again. I'm fine.
Are you saying I'm stupid?
Yes!
This is the 15th take. I cannot work like this. I will be in my trailer.
I need a break.
Marker.
Whoa, Flick, honey. We are not about to. Is someone hammering? Can we hold the work, please? People!
Am I in this shot? You can see me, right?
And action.
To infinity and beyond! I'm sorry. I couldn't resist. Really, can you blame me? Okay, let's go for real now.
Okay,
All right,
cut.
sorry.
Why go back to Ant Island at all? I mean, you don't even like green.
What? You're right. I didn't think it was such a good idea myself. Actually, it wasn't even my idea.
Hey, watch it!
I'm sorry. Is the camera broke? Oh, I'm sorry. Did I ruin the take?
And thank you for finding him, Flick.
Me? Huh?
No. I'm sorry.
So, is there a Mrs. Ant you have to tunnel home to? Oh, I'm sorry. I thought he was real. Oh, dear, put that thing in my car.
Marker.
Flick, after much deliberation.
Oh, my eye. Oh, no, seriously, I've got berry juice in my eye. It stings. Stop acting. I'm serious. Oh, stop the camera.
Uh-oh. Towel. I need a towel over here.
I'm sorry. Can we cut? It's just that I don't think I'm coming across. Oh, I know. I could lather up a bunch of spit. Oh, that's good. I got it, JL. All right, one more for me.
Speed. Marker.
Action.
Spinning a web of safety in less than 50.